the EPSON DS-530, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the pickup and the separation rollers. For this scanner, we recommend replacing the rollers around 200,000 scans, give or take, depending on the condition that they're in. So if you notice that the scanner performance is slowing down, might be a sign to replace your rollers. So certain environmental factors will take into place which may move that number higher or lower. And we just recommend keeping the scanner as well as the rollers in the best shape as they can. Before replacing the rollers, just make sure you have the correct roller replacement kit. For this scanner, the kit that you buy is going to come with 2 sets of rollers, the pickup roller and the separation roller. Begin with opening up the input tray. And then to open up the actual scanner where the rollers are inside, you're going to pull on the gray lever at the upper left-hand side and pull it open until it stops. Once the scanner is opened, we're going to open the scanner pickup roller cover, which is this gray section here, by pulling forward on where this little arrow is and then removing it. To remove this pickup roller, we're first going to pull down on this blue tab, which is the roller axis. And then we're going to slide it a little bit to the right, which pulls this side out, and we're going to pick it up to remove it. Once you have the old rollers out, we're going to be putting in the new separation roller, and once it's ready to be put back in place, we're going to take the roller and slide the right side in first, which is the axis, and then on the left side, the blue has to be slid down in, and then this blue tab will line up with this snap, and it's back in place. Lastly, put the cover back on by sliding the cover down into the 2 grooves on the right and the left side until it's locked in, and then we're going to place it down and snap it back in. On the other side here, we're going to replace the separation roller. So first we need to push on both ends of this gray cover to open it. To remove the separation roller, we're going to pull up on the right side here and pull it gently out, and just making sure that we are careful on the axis on the left side. Take the new separation roller and we're going to put it in just the opposite of the way we took it out. Put in the side with the gear first, and set down the other side like so. After the roller's back in, we're going to close the separation roller cover by just pushing it back and clicking it into place. Once you've replaced both of your roller kits, you will close the scanner gently and push on the front until it clicks. This concludes replacing the rollers for the EPSON DS-530.